Hi everyone, welcome back to Dark Claw One Piece Fighting Pass. Today we're gonna do a summon for Sakazuki, also as known as Red Dog, also as known as Akainu. Okay, he representing for Marine, but interesting, everyone hates him. Hate him like he's so-called absolutely justice. Alright, so let's go for the summon directly. See how many tickets we need to summon him. Okay, first try. We had 158 tickets, so it's pretty enough for summon one Sakazuki. Okay, what are we gonna draw? We're gonna draw a Red Dog. Shall we? No! Crap. I didn't have a chance to draw at all. Maybe the first try? Maybe. Nope. Missed two. Phone clay. Oops. Okay, no. As expected, second try. Draw the Red Dog. I don't even know how to draw dogs. Sorry guys, forgive my bad drawing. Nope. No gold. Gold? No gold. Nope. Third try. We're gonna just write Red Dog. No, still no gold. Gold, come on. Okay, nope. Fourth try. What are we gonna draw? Gonna draw a volcano. Okay, Devil Fruit skills, ultimate attack. Volcano, can Volcano bring us some luck? Wrong gold. Nami. Yeah, by the way, I think they're gonna release the summer swimming tsunami soon. As a super limited character, same as a Chinese style Ace. I think she's coming this month or maybe early August. Nope. Sixth try. Sixth try. I think we're going to the guarantee one for the eighth try. So not getting this one. We only got 2 rounds to go. Okay, I think we're going to the guarantee one. As usual, we're going to the guarantee one. No? Wrong gold? No! Wrong dog. Wrong white dog. No, this one. Wrong dog. Okay, we're going to the guarantee one. Wrong gold. Okay, last try. We are getting him anyway. Don't tell me it's gonna last one. Alright, you have to go to the last one, do you? No comment at all. Going to the last one? Still no? Are you kidding me? Okay, so this is a guarantee one. Oh my god. So this is a guarantee one. The problem is, are we going to the last one? Last one? No, my internet. My internet. Okay, finally. We got a lot of bear army this time. 2 dogs. Here we go, Sakazuki. No, another Nami, another Nami. We got like 2 Benami and 2 Namis. Maybe another Sakazuki, another Saikainu, another Akainu. Would be great. Another Akainu would be great. Come on, come on. Nope. Okay, Anyway, okay, so it's limited. Oh, what's this one? What's this one? Oh, you can get a fragment if you do 1 more summon. Okay, so I think we have to do this one. We have to do this one. Okay, another 10. Another 10. Okay, nothing. Okay, thank you. Just getting another 5 fragment. Okay, thank you. So next reward is for 187. Okay, forget about it. Go to here. Okay, so like 400 times you can get limited Akainu card, and then limited absolute justice. Okay, no, that's a no for me. Okay, let's do some card summons. We got 81. Let's do quickly for the card summons. Nope. So that's 15. I think it's 30 give you guarantee 1. Guarantee gold for every 30 summons. Okay, we're going to the guarantee 1. So we have to get a gold for this one. Right, here we go. Okay. Hopefully we can get another one soon. Nope. I think we can get like at least 3 gold cards. Okay, here we go. Second one. No, what the hell? Who needs you? Go to hell. Who needs Moria? We need Akainu cards, at least 2. No. My god, we can't even get 2 Akainu cards for 80 card summons. Okay, last try. Oh my god. I can't believe my luck. Guys, I can't believe my luck. What the hell is this one? Okay. Do I need to buy this one? I don't think I need to buy this one, right? But anyway. Okay. Let's just buy this one in case for the future. Okay, so let's go for the color theme to try a kind of Shervy. Where is he? Oh, my internet, sorry about my internet, it's really so recently. Oh, here we go, we disconnected. My god, we disconnected again. I think it's time to give up this game. Come on. Oh my god. Sorry for the bad internet disconnection. Okay, I don't think we can get back to the line. Let's have one more try. If it doesn't work, we'll have to end the video here. Come on, guys. Oh my god. Come on, what happened? And we get back to line, okay? Okay, we're back to line finally. Let's go quickly try for kind of Shervy. Should be the last one. Here we go. Okay, 100. Oh 09 levels. We have 10 fragments. Give some food for the whatever he needed. Okay, we only have one. My god. Who needs the purple one? So give him the what's his? The devil fruit is for the nature devil fruit. So what card should we give him? Nah, I don't need a card anyway. We just go to the card system to try. Okay, it's against the limited ace. Okay. First ace. It looks fancy. And it looks fancy, okay? A small ultimate. It's a bit like the Raining Blood One Piece. Okay. The skill is already similar. Okay, let's try the ultimate attack, okay, shall we? 1, 2, 3, go! Not as long as I expected. Computer play to do a real fight. Okay, let's go, Ace. Fire against volcano. No, guys. Alright. Everybody love to see Ace kick a kind of ass, right? That's what we're doing right now, okay? Oh, come on. My attack. It's all fire in the volcano, you can't even see it. Okay, come on. Okay, now it's time to see Ace ultimate attack. Yeah, I think justice wins. Alright, I think it's time to end the video here. We both saw that. Out by the 8. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. We're gonna see you to the next one. Ciao, bye.